Located near Diani, Kenya, is a small island with a rich history. It's part of the Kenyan coastal region as it's known as its Swahili culture, which has been influenced by Arab traders who settled in the area centuries ago. The island played a significant role in the ocean trade network, with the inhabitant agreement in trading with various parts of the world.
What's up amazing one, welcome back to this amazing channel. I am Boke here, guys. First time you step by, subscribe to this channel, guys. I'm telling you, today I'm in a new place. Like, oh my god, this is my dream come true. All the time I've been like, one time when I reach at Wasini in the island. Yeah, guys, this is the island. Actually, we're going over there to see the dolphins. Oh my god, I'm going to see the dolphin, the sharks. I want to swim, dive in the sea. Oh my god, oh my god, that thing. Oh, I can't imagine that I'm over here. The excitement, I'm telling you, the excitement is real. So guys, I'm going to tell you everything about this place, and the history of this place, and everything is just like another level. We're going to use a boat. Yo guys, I'm going to tell you the experience of God. I can't believe this is me. I can't get it. So anyway, guys, you see, oh, it just arrived. Everything is actually enjoy this video of the far, and it's very cold. Actually, it's very cold, so don't worry. That's why we are in the sweater. See, guys, it's very cold, so just heading over there with a lot of people, yeah, with some people. So actually, guys, so stay tuned. I'm going to take you around and things will be okay. So guys,
Wasini Island 7 kilometers long, 3.5 kilometers long. We have two villages, Zulu village, Wadase, Kwasi beach, Sopiro, and very near family siblings around. It's a village called Wasini. The population is about 4,800. And majority of them, about 99%, are Muslims. So Muslims are lucky because most are found the island. But the Christians are lucky. Normally they have to cross to the mainland to do prayer because no church is there. And what they depend to earn their daily bread is only fishing and tourism. Large portion on fishing for both men and women. For the men, using the small canoe, going to go by sea. They do pardon, it's calm, it's windy sailing. But for the women are waiting with the child, so this child, the child is low. You can see some waves around, that's a coral reef. So if the child is low, women keep moving around, stinging octopus, and collect wishes for them.
Guys, the weather is not favorable. It started raining, guys, so we're just going to, they're going to do this to cover us. It's raining, guys, actually it's raining. Yeah, but we're really having fun, I'm telling you, guys. Oh my god! Guys, I'm telling you, it's so cold outside. I want to go Anishke in Yakomachi. Nionyeshe ina record?
Yeah.
Nishke na wapi? Hi!
Today being a visitor to Wasini Island to explore the Kisicha Marine National Park, where they have a snorkeling, dive to see the dolphins, turtles and colorful fish. The island is also a home of lush mangrove forest, ancient coral gardens and the unique village with Swahili traditional food. The journey turned to an unexpected move. It was time for snorkeling. My friend was yet to start, and we were to do it with the rain. We couldn't stop because of the rain and also because of time. The rain kept coming, not even stopping. In the middle of the sea, we want to do the snorkeling to see the beautiful, colorful fish. It was hard for me to do this, but because she was doing, I admire that. I don't know where I get the courage and I start saying that I want it too. I know I have never had experience of swimming in very large water area like this, but I got the courage.
Oh.
It was my turn. Because I admired everything about my friend. The way she was shouting that she's seeing beautiful things, I was like, I want to see the beautiful things too. I even never used the mask, but I want to use it. I don't know what can happen to me. It was my turn to jump inside the water. I don't know where the brave is coming from. Oh my god, this was the beautiful things I've never seen in my life. I was feeling like shouting inside this water because these things were so beautiful. I've never seen this. The experience was another level, guys. I'm telling you. The experience was like, I don't want to get out. I don't want to get out. Different kind of things, like, oh my god, the creatures were, at first I feel like it was like, oh my god, the fear was into me because I never expected these guys. Actually, I never expected to see such kind of things because my friend was like, they're so beautiful, they're so beautiful. I'm telling you, I was shouting, they're so beautiful, they're so beautiful. For the first time I did the snorkeling, and it was first thing in my life that I've never seen like beautiful. I didn't want to come up. Imagine the rain and you sing beautiful things. I'm telling you, they start pulling me out. But I didn't want to get out of this.
Oh, don't panic.
Hapo chini.
Angalia.
Nitoka aje ni bebe tu.
I started crying for the captain to carry me because now the fear is into me. I feel like I was going back inside the big sea. It was so deep.
Mami ako hapa. Hadi mimi mwingine nikaona kama anapita hiyo kitu kuna.
It was a turn for everyone. Now the birthday girl was there. We keep feeling cold, but other people are just making it by themselves.
We're seeing that
it's so cold. It's keep raining. Seeing people doing this was like I'm admiring everything. I feel like jumping inside the deep water so that I can get the courage to, so that I can enjoy their moves and everything. It was hard for me because I don't know how to swim. The rain keep coming. We're waiting for the rain so that it can go down so that we can move to another level. But the winding and everything turned to a nightmare. The only thing I was admiring is to see the dolphin. Oh my god, this was the only thing I've been waiting for. I thank God I had my camera on because they keep discouraging us. I had to put my camera in so that I can see them, but they never came back again. They had keep discouraging us, we cannot see them because of the rain, but lucky who I am, I was the only person to capture them. Everyone was freezing. We had even to ask for the jiko so that we can warm ourselves. Every turn to be like, I never expected this. It was amazing, but everything was like, we can't even take it. Everyone was complaining about the weather, but everything got the reason for it.
Ani kuingia kwa maji na kutokuingia kwa maji ni same. Jubilo umenyeshewa.
Huko si baridi basa.
But you imagine ilikuwa warm. Imagine ilikuwa sawa lakini
Niamua captain akubebe.
Imagine mimi hata sioni effect ya hii motor.
Kwani hata mimi nasikia niingize hata makutoko ndani.
Aki utapeleka tu zote ndani. Siache.
Zinachomekanga imagine.
Sasa wale wenye tunachukua tafika tu sangapi? Kama sisi ndo tumechukua sijui nao plus.
Nao.
Uko kwenye kuliko huko. Moto imeisha. Aki simsaidie makaa. Yeah.
10,000. This is 10,000.
Hata watu weke kuni tu ile moto.
I know. You guys paid 10,000.
Hata kwa pay 3,500. Mlipa 10. 10 nani alikwambia mlipa 10? Each person.
We couldn't even hold the spoon to eat. That's why we were to arm ourselves. So it was time. So our turn to just taste the Swahili dish from Wasini. Everyone was like freezing, but we want to taste it. Imagine being rained the whole day in the middle of the sea just because you've paid for the tour and you don't want your money to go in waste. It was another experience. Like everything, we were enjoying everything, yes, but it was really disappointing in another. Who is Boke? I want to test everything because they say that it's kind of a different traditional Swahili dish. I have to test everything so that I can feel it. I started with the white rice, but I don't know how they do it. They cook this. This food is so delicious. I have to add the coconuts. I don't know, the coconut soup. That's what the name of it. This was my favorite because the taste of it was another level. I took the chapati. I want to taste everything, Boke.
Oh no, mama. Oh no, hizi.
Mbona kwa macho? Tumia macho. Anatumia mdomo.
Ile ya red ni nini? Ile ya red ni nini? Uberefu deo yote na kwanza imekuwa nini? Coconut, si ndio? Coconut zinakonga hata kwa maini kwa
Yeah, me. Thank you.
Nimekula ile fish ya green.
Imekuja moja peke yake.
Niliona hii fish ya green jana.
Uliona hapo? Hakuna hivi. Umeona hapa?
Nimeona hapa sasa kwa meza kabisa.
Chicken. Hapa fish.
Hiyo ni nini pilipili? Ni nini?
Seafood.
Nina kutry hata hujasavu.
Nakwambia tutakula kizungu hapa.
Ni tamu.
Nini ni tamu?
Hii kitu ya juu hivi. Sijui ndo wanaita nini.
Kuna nyingine hapo.
Mimi naitaka ni tamu.
Hiyo supu ndo tamu.
Tutakula. We want the sweet stuff.
And now we have crab, yeah? This is the crab, huh? See, that's why we have this, the wooden plate with the crab, huh?
Tunaigonga kabisa.
Tunaigonga tu.
Tunaikula.
Ndio tunaigonga kuikula.
He's saying tunaigonga tuikule. Tunaigonga
tunaikula.
Tunaigonga tuikule.
Mimi hapana. Happy birthday to you. Birthday girl. Birthday girl. Happy birthday to you. But oh my God. Mbona ni samaki?
Ni tamu. Mbona ni pa?
Si online. No, kupe test. Ni tamu. Umesikia? Ni tamu.
To be honest, I've never eaten these in my entire life. They look, I don't know how they look, but I was like, I can't taste them. They were really forcing me to taste them. The crazy part that I've never seen. My fish got teeth. My friend went crazy on me. They were really laughing like louder about this. To be honest, I was shocked because to be honest, I've never ate any fish with teeth. I don't know which kind of fish was it, but I remember seeing such kind of a fish in the ocean and it was green in color. The moment they placed the fish in my table, I was like, this is the green fish that I saw in the ocean. The fisherman was doing the green fish, but I never noticed that the fish get teeth. My friend went crazy. They were really laughing hard on me.
Haina meno. Mimi nimekula same na yako, si ndio? Iko na meno. Hey. Okay. Coconut. Kila sehemu.
We were really having fun in our table. Our table turned to be a laughter place. Everyone was just having fun like ever. People started looking at us like it was crazy because my friends were really great people. They were really enjoying and they made our day. After a long playing on us, oh my god, it was a crazy time. People were really enjoying.
Kesho asubuhi naenda beach. Sasa enda uswim huko. Ufanye hadi uende sunset. Sasa hii kwa yako nzuri. Hizo ndo zenye nitafanya. Na nimepostpone siku ya kwenda Nairobi. Yes. I'm waiting. Nyundo. Gonga. Karibu unagonga kwa nguvu
sana. Nigonge kwa nguvu.
Order. Unapomemba soda.
Sisi ndo tumehave fun ya kukula huko. That's so serious. Sisi tumehave fun ya food kabisa. Haya, shika vizuri. Shika mkono.
Unajua vidole zako si ngumu kama hii.
Okay. Yo. Hapo sasa. Tunaangalia. Unraveling. Mimi niko huku. Mbona unapeana? Hebu kula. Hadi iko na supu kule. Tumekula. Kula hii pia. Hii ndo yani iko dunia nyingine. Ngoja. Hebu nishike kamera. Nani anapeana nyundo?
Nyundo na nini place ya kugongea ndo hii.
Eka yako.
Mbona hii iko na supu?
Ngoja. Mimi na hii ni mashetani kabisa hii.
Mashetani.
Kai. Yani hadi before kule tu nasikia ni kama ni
Bina feeling duka zinanitembelea.
Akina still umeenjoy birthday girl.
Ndio vijana enjoy. Allah wewe na umeiva one touch. Mango zako.
I cannot try this. Imeniharibia test ya mdomo.
Naweza enda udufu pale.
Osha mdomo. Kai yetu hata iko na maji. We are going to swim. Mwenye alikuwa anatoa maji yuko hapa. Yo. Wazito. Na wanaongoja waingie kwa mvua tena. Wanakimbia? Sorry. Kwa hivyo. Destination. These girls. These girls. Yo. So, final destination. We're going to the parking area. I'm telling you, the rain was raining. Everything is raining. The coldness. Oh my God, this is called the sea life. The sea life. Life of African girls. They really had fun. They really had fun.
I can't say the same.
You can. They really had fun.
Yeah, we had
Now the bad day girl. Oh my God.
Maybe your definition of fun is
Oh my God. Oh, the other one cannot even talk about it. Say something. Oh. Now she's crying. Let me see you. Anyway, it is what it is, guys. I'm telling you, it was like, oh my God. So this is where we just we've enjoyed the view of the water. Hiyo ndo ya kwanza inasema. I'm telling you this life. Oh. Wait, inaenda. Bye Wasini. Bye areas, guys. Anyway, I'm telling you, like today is today, tomorrow is another day. I can't talk about today. Let it just be like that. Let it be like that. No more talk about it. Anyway, guys, this was the journey of it, and everything has been like the way you say it. The way you say it. No more explanation about it. Yeah. So we're going back. We're heading back. Look at the damages. Where is our car? Hata sijui kaa yetu iende katuacha. I think
Just reaching in the hotel that I was, the only thing that I could do is to dance so that I can be warm. I had a crazy day and it was so hard to me to get the warmness. So I had to dance with my friends so that I can feel like I'm in the other thing. But this day was so nice to me because we really enjoyed with my friends. It's a memorable time in my life. Forever I will remember this, guys. I'm not even lying. Thank you so much, my people, for watching to this far end. I really appreciate for the love and support. Let's meet again. Bye bye.